यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है समय भैया। इसीलिए ट्रैवल करना बहुत जरूरी है। That's right. In fact, 2019 से लेके 2022 तक I couldn't really travel. So I thought this is an opportunity in 2022. Now that the things are a bit relaxed, we can go out and travel. Travel safely, of course. We need to take certain precautions. But yes, travel is on the cards, at least for me. So let me know if it is also for you, because in today's video, I'm not only going to talk about the things that you require in your traveling, but how to be more organized. Ready to pack your bags? Let's get started. Hey, but if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it, because this channel is all about enhancing your style, behavior, and confidence. And it's good to stay stylish even when you're traveling. My friends and I have decided to go to Goa. It will be comparatively hotter and quite sunny, so we have to keep that in mind. If you are also going to a location where it's going to be comparatively hotter, you do need to keep these things in mind, the ones that I'm going to share with you today. So in the first part of the video, I'm going to suggest a few items that you need to buy if you're going to a similar location. And in the second part of the video, I'm going to help you with the organization part. How are you going to pack your stuff? How can you create more spaces? And most important thing is a giveaway towards the end. Number one are shirts. And shirts, not just any shirt, but a full sleeve white shirt made out of linen or cotton. Some people think that white is going to get dirty easily. As a matter of fact, it's also easier, comparatively easier to wash a white shirt because you can simply bleach it. Another shirt that you can keep, or maybe a short sleeve shirt, can be a printed one. Keeping a printed shirt is nice because it shows that you are in the holiday mood. So just have that vibe, and that vibe comes when you wear these kind of clothes. And also keep the scale in mind. Scale as in not the crocodile scales. Means that the prints should be in proportion with your body. So it means that if you're tall or if you're huge, you can wear prints that are medium scale to large scale. Also, it's good to have one white t-shirt and one black t-shirt because these are more versatile. You can create more combinations, you can mix and match and create more capsules out of it. The next item is shorts. We will be going to the beaches. We do need something shorter in length, provides you more flexibility, and you want to feel comfortable, right? So having a pair of shorts is great. Shorts can be made out of denim, or you can have another pair of shorts that dry up easily. These are dry fit pants or dry fit shorts. Usually people take these to their gym and they use it while they're working out, but they can be really useful even at places like these. I'm definitely going to keep one of these dry fit shorts or dry fit pants. Number three is a separate small bag. So you can get this from Decathlon. It's good to keep a very lightweight bag so that when you're at the beach, you are having important stuff there because you don't know where you will be keeping the stuff. You cannot carry a very bulky bag. Keep an extremely lightweight bag with you. If you don't have it, you might want to purchase one. And you do get good material, very lightweight bag at Decathlon, so check it out. Next item on the list is a pair of shoes. You cannot neglect it. You cannot underestimate the importance of shoes. So when you're going to the beaches, you can have Crocs, because you know that your feet are going to get wet and you don't want to wear something that's going to be wet the whole time. I got one pair for myself from Skechers. I'm a huge fan of Skechers, by the way. I personally think Skechers is a great brand and they make really comfortable shoes. You might check out some of these breathable ones. Even having a pair of slippers is important. Buy a lightweight pair of slippers so that you can wear them at the beach. The next item on the list is especially for girls. This is a sarong. By the way, if you don't want to carry a sarong, then at least have a big scarf made out of cotton, or you can even carry a shrug if that's possible. And men, you know, you do need to have a big scarf if you're going to a hotter region. Sarongs are good to have because they not only cover your body when you are at the beach, but also it can work as a scarf, it can work as a skirt, and it's quite versatile. Even when you are traveling, maybe you are on the airplane and it's getting cold, maybe, you can just cover yourself up with that sarong. It's going to help you protect your body from the sun's harmful rays. You cannot completely cover yourself though. You should know that it's not going to protect your entire body from that. So the next item on the list is a hat, okay? And I have 3 hats. 1, 2, and 3. Really like the white one. But then let me know which one do you like the most. Perhaps I'll carry that one. And the next item, which is again to help you protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays, is a sunscreen. So no matter where you're going, even if you are going to a place which is going to have a lot of snow, even then you should be having a sunscreen, because it keeps your skin supple, it keeps your skin nourished. And so do keep a sunscreen with you. Don't forget that. That's really important. Here I'd like to throw some light on the SPF rating and the PA rating that you see on every sunscreen. A lot of times people buy sunscreens thinking that if the SPF is high, it is going to be really effective. However, the PA+++ rating that you see on these covers are equally important. First thing that you need to know is that PA is the short form for protection grade of UVA, and SPF means sun protection factor. UVB rays are responsible for causing our skin to turn red and burn. Basically, your skin get tanned. And UVA rays cause a lot of damage to our skin internally, to our skin's genes. So remember that PA rating is equally important. So if you don't pick the right PA rating sunscreen, then the UVA rays may cause damage to the skin internally, penetrating into the skin, and this may cause skin cancer and definitely aging of the skin. I would recommend a sunscreen that is above 50 in SPF and has PA at least 3 or more. Alright, the next item on the list is a trash bag like this. So, alright. So do keep these bags at least 4 to 5 in number. Why? Because you want to keep all your, sometimes your wet clothes or your slippers in these bags, and they are going to protect your dry clothes from getting wet. You just pack it in there and wash them when you're back at home. The last item on the list is not only essential but is mandatory. So you should be keeping your masks and you should be keeping a sanitizer in your bag, very handy. And this is the part of the video where I'm going to help you with the packing. The
place a newspaper sheet or a plastic sheet. If you're carrying any liquid item and God forbid if it opens, then this sheet is going to prevent your suitcase from getting soiled. Then don't just throw your clothes like this, okay? Packing it properly is really important because it helps you create more space and carry more items. Some clothes like skirts can be folded. However, I prefer keeping my t-shirts in this manner. So you simply have to roll them so that it remains uncreased and it also creates more space. I've already rolled some t-shirts over here, and so I'm going to keep it on one side. So this is the sarong that I had mentioned before, and I'm going to roll it and then keep it in the suitcase. I'm keeping all my skirts and shorts together, and I'm only going to use a single vertical fold over here. Then comes these floral tops that go together in one place. I know it's going to be hot, but my hat is going to protect me from the sun's harmful rays. And am I forgetting something? Oh yes, my sunglasses. Alright, now I don't care about the heat, I don't care about the sun. I'm going to be there on the beach and I'm going to have fun. Oh wow, that rhymes. Hey. Oh god, I need to stop. Okay, back to packing. As I'll be going for scuba diving, I also have to keep my swimsuit, and this is how I'm going to roll it and keep it on one side. As you can see, everything is so intact. Now it's time for the pajamas for the Bahamas. No, not the Bahamas for this time. It's Goa. But I'm going to roll them and keep it on the other side of the suitcase. All the undergarments go inside this small pouch, and then comes the slippers. Sometimes people do not place the slippers in the right manner. Remember that if you're going to lock the slippers in this way, they are not going to occupy more space. Also, do not forget to keep at least 4 to 5 trash bags with you. For stuffs like your slippers and your soiled clothes, you do need trash bags. So don't forget to keep these, okay? Now, if you do have space in your suitcase, then you can keep a big towel or a dressing gown because it provides a cushion to the things that you are going to carry. It could be a bottle of perfume or any other thing that you think requires a cushion. I'm also going to carry these long pair of gloves because we're going to rent a car and I'll be driving. So I just thought that keeping a pair of long gloves are going to protect my hands from getting tanned. Well, only to some extent because at the beach, there is no escape. And there goes the white and black shrug to protect my skin against the sun's harmful rays. Oh my god, and this small bag is so very important. Do not forget to keep this one. And keeping medicines, of course, this is something that you cannot miss. So in the makeup kit, I'm only going to carry one lipstick and one liner. And I love carrying these samples from Body Shop because they are light to carry, and whenever I'm traveling, I don't have to carry these big bottles of skincare products, but just these sachets. For both face wash and shower gel, I prefer keeping these travel bags. And of course, the sunscreen. And as you can see, the one that I bought is an SPF 50 plus PA 4 pluses. And if you're someone like me who also wears a pair of lenses, then do keep your lenses along with the solution. Of course, the sanitizer, and then a lip gloss. And for the toothbrush and the toothpaste, I prefer keeping it in a poly bag separately and then keeping it inside the suitcase.
And the most important thing is the packing list, which you can download. It's absolutely free, so you can download it from the link that I have given below in the description. Don't forget to download it. It's a checklist. All done, guys. Do give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in Goa.